See this little fish? This little guy is responsible for creating the world's most efficient method for growing 100% organic food at home. I will talk more about this new method in a second, but first you need to know the motivation behind creating this system. You see, these days the food sold in supermarkets isn't quite what it seems. Much of the produce is grown from genetically modified organisms, meaning it's far from natural. On top of that, they are covered in pesticides and other dangerous poisons to help them grow faster and kill off bugs. Now, I don't know about you, but when I eat vegetables, I want to think I'm doing something good for my body. However, eating vegetables found in supermarkets may be the most unhealthy thing you eat. There have been many articles published that prove the dangers these pesticides have on your body. Now, I'm not sharing this to scare you, but you absolutely need to know some of these dangerous effects. Again, these side effects of food pesticides are 100% proven. There is cancer, Parkinson's disease, infertility and birth defects, autism, obesity and diabetes, headaches, feeling dizzy, and much, much more. In fact, many side effects aren't known yet. This is just the tip of the iceberg. The thing is, buying from a supermarket is just so convenient, right? But when you think about what these pesticides are doing to your body, is it really worth it? And this is just the effects of food pesticides. GMOs are becoming extremely common in our supermarkets, and the effects of eating these foods can literally change your DNA. Because GMO foods are relatively new, the long-term effects are not known. And guess what? Monsanto, the company responsible for producing these GMOs, believe testing the effects of GMOs on humans is not necessary. In fact, here's a direct quote from the Monsanto website. There is no need for or value in testing the safety of GM foods in humans. This tells me that the future of healthy organic food isn't looking good, and GMO foods are set to stay around. Personally, I don't want to be a test subject eating somebody's science project, and that's why I've done something about it. So let's go back to that fish from the start of the video and how this fish is personally responsible for creating a way to produce 100% organic food. Escape the supermarket food monopoly, escape the pesticides and GMOs, and on top of all this, save money. It's called aquaponics. Aquaponics is the combination of aquaculture, which is raising aquatic animals such as fish, and hydroponics, which is growing plants without soil. In a nutshell, aquaponics is creating a mini ecosystem in your backyard to grow your food, and here's how it works. Fish waste is recycled into nitrates. Nitrates are a natural fertilizer for the plants that helps them grow faster. The plants then clean the water for the fish. This is the perfect cycle, and everything runs in harmony because it works just like nature. Once you set up your system and get the chemistry right for your plants and fish, the system is basically 100% automated. All you have to do is plant more seedlings after you've picked your plants. Can you imagine being able to go into your backyard and pick all the vine-ripened vegetables you want, whenever you want, all year round, and bring them straight into the kitchen? There are many benefits to an aquaponics system. It is 100% hands-off. This is truly a set and forget system. Once you've set it up, you can sit back while the fish provide nutrients and the plants keep the water clean. No more weeding. Grow beds are placed up high off the ground where weeds can't spread. No more watering. How's this for a bonus? You don't even have to water your aquaponics garden. No more dirt. This means there is nothing to till, plow, hoe, or rake. Happy days. No more manure. Because this system works without the use of soil, there is no need to add fertilizer because the fish do it automatically. No soil-borne pests or diseases. The need for dangerous pesticides and chemicals is eliminated, again because there is no soil and the grow beds are off the ground. Great for small areas. If you only have a small area to grow your food, then a conventional food garden won't work. However, with an aquaponics system, the plants can be planted much closer. You can even use a double-decker aquaponics system and have 2 levels to grow twice as much food in the same area. Simple and fun. Aquaponics is a simple process once you've gotten to know the basics, and it's a lot of fun to watch your fish and plants grow, especially when you can see daily growth. In fact, many classrooms use aquaponics as a great way to learn about ecosystems. There are many other advantages to using an aquaponics system too, such as all the benefits from eating healthy organic food. Organic food has been proven to contain more micronutrients, provide more energy, give you a better night's sleep, and even boost your sex drive. Not to mention, organic food tastes much better. An aquaponics system will also save hundreds or even thousands of dollars every single year by growing your own food as opposed to buying overpriced food from the supermarket. There's also food security. In these uncertain times, the need to be self-reliant is becoming more and more essential. There are many reasons such as natural disasters or terrorist attacks that could wipe out your food supply in an instant. But when you have your own reliable food supply in your very own backyard, you can be sure to survive any food shortage that might happen. Okay, so now you know what aquaponics is, and you know why this new method of gardening has become so popular in recent times. You probably want to see one of these systems working, right? Well, I'm not the type of guy to hype up a product and not use it myself. I practice what I preach. For years now, I have been growing my own food using a simple homemade aquaponics system. Check out this quick video where I demonstrate just how easy it is to build an aquaponics system.
Hello from everyone here at Easy DIY Aquaponics. My name is Andrew, and today we are going to show you how easy it really is to build your own aquaponics system at home.
This is a small system I made for the purpose of explaining the build process. However, you can build just about any size system depending on how much space you want to take up. You can build mini systems that you can fit on top of your exciting fish tank, if you have one, and even double-decker systems to grow more food. The build process is so simple that anybody can do this, and after years of trial and error, I have created the perfect system that anybody can build, no matter how experienced they are, and even if they've never built anything before. I call my system Easy DIY Aquaponics. It's a program to help you build your very own aquaponics system. I've included simple to follow step-by-step video instructions along with a guide that includes plenty of pictures. I've also included a parts list with links to where you can purchase these parts. You won't find anything else that's as advanced as my aquaponics training course. I put my name on this product because I'm extremely proud of what I've created. Over 20,000 others just like you have purchased my training course with fantastic results, so I know you're going to love my product. In fact, I offer a 100% money-back guarantee. If you don't have success with my aquaponics training course, or even if you find the DIY setup instructions too hard to follow, I will personally refund your entire purchase, no questions asked. You can try out my program for a full 60 days. Then, if you're not happy, just send me a quick email and you will have your investment back in your account within 48 hours. So this really is a risk-free purchase. You see, I only offer this guarantee because I know you're going to love it, and I want all my customers to be thrilled with their purchase. Are you ready to get started? Take a look below at what's included with the Easy DIY Aquaponics system, and you can make your order by clicking the Add to Cart button that's below this video. Also, when you scroll down, you will see I'm throwing in 6 of my favorite guides as a free bonus. Scroll down and check them out. Then make your order using our secure online order form, and I will speak with you again on the inside.